What is up everyone, I am Mike. And welcome back to Crypto Team. And in today's video, we are going to talk about another high potential project called Single.earth. But before we begin, please be advised by our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. World's first money backed by natural assets. Introducing Merits, a global digital currency that you can use on a credit card, mobile pay, digital wallet, or a bank app. Tokens are emitted to landowners against 100 kilograms of CO2 captured in biodiverse nature on their property. How Merit works. Each Merit token represents 100 kilograms of CO2 captured in biodiverse nature. Landowners receive merits for nature preservation in real time, verified by satellites. By switching to merits, you support sustainable landowners and communities. Every payment in merits takes a tiny part of the currency out of circulation as an irreversible contribution to nature. Switching from euro to merits is as easy as it sounds. Why use merit? The merit currency is the basis of a truly sustainable nature-backed economy. Because merits are only issued when carbon is captured, the amount of merits in circulation is always capped by how much of it nature can capture. The limits are greenhouse gas emissions and raw material use to how much the ecosystem can take. How to use merit? Get nature-backed merits. Get, trade, or hold merits. Each merit will be connected to real nature, directly funding its protection. Merits will be issued to landowners against maintaining and increasing the ecological value and carbon capture of their land. Play in merits. Payment card and mobile pay for the climate conscious. Use the merit card with merit tokens to pay anywhere. With the merit card and mobile pay in your pocket, you can seamlessly pay at your local cafe, for your new online subscription, and to other sellers around the world. Together, we can give back to nature. Buy merits directly from landowners who in return protect the ecosystem around us. Every person who switches to merits helps to save the world. The more people do it, the faster we reach a fully sustainable economy. So make sure you invite your friends. Let me introduce to you its team members. Merit Voldsalo, co-founder, CEO. Andras Oslade, co-founder, CTO. For the science and research team, Remy Ponset, Research Officer. Catherine von Stackelberg, Senior Researcher. For the technology team, Katrin Mestjan, Geospatial Engineer. John Prysallo, Security Officer. And for the business team, Hello Megas, CFO, Biz Dev. Gerd Lob, Legal Officer. And now, let us take a quick look on its roadmap. July 2021, raised $7.9 million from EQT Ventures and Icebreaker. December 2021, received the Virtual Asset Service Provider license. January 2022, early access for first landowners from Brazil and Europe. March 2022, development of land and landowner onboarding process. April 2022, merit token minting with selected landowners. Q2 2022, Merit Token and Single.earth Marketplace launch. Q4 2022, Merit Payment Card and Mobile Pay launch. And that is all for Single.earth. Come and visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Crypto Team. Thank you for watching.